I'm Fahim Chowdhury, CEO of the Technovative Solutions. The company was started in 2012 in January. It was just one-man company at that time. My first work with one of the UK-based company was very successful. They were developing some technologies for recyclings. And then after that, I started getting more work. We were helping companies to shape innovations, looking at mainly how they can develop technologies that can help them to overcome barriers and challenges. In 2016, there was a project called Smart Track. That was the beginning of our journey in Horizon Europe.
So my name is Salauddin. I'm the Managing Director of DigiProd. I also play the role of Head of Product and Promotions for Technovative Solutions Limited. My initial scope was just kind of creating a product development team because traditionally TVS has been looking at just research, straight away looking at, okay, how do we refine the existing products? How do we take it to the market? Through that journey, within 3-4 months, we realized, we have a great opportunity to really take the advantage of the sustainability tech we have, and we kind of spun out DigiProd.
I had no idea that we will have 5 domains with 35 projects and 5 companies now. It was not the plan. My plan was to run one company. You can create a product, but if you do not have the user, it makes no sense. If you want to talk to Mercedes and Ford with a product, you have to have a completely developed, full packaged product that you take and you have lots of interviews and stuff like that. Where in a funding, you can start building it, co-develop it with them. So we are continuously working with them and we're getting feedback. So our product is getting more robust.
I'm Tamanna Khan, and I am the Chief Operating Officer of Technovative Solutions Limited. We had so many projects that we worked with the same partner because we trust them and we have good experience with them. The EcoPlus project kicked off in June this year, and we are 18 partners now. It's working towards the circularity of automotive plastics. In order to achieve this type of goals of circularity and net zero, we need the whole value chain working towards that goal. Unless we have this type of initiative or collaboration, all the companies will be working in silos, and at the end, this goal won't be achieved.
So far, we haven't given a single % of our equity. So we are building a product together with Stellantis Group. If we are successful, then you have access to this whole Stellantis business. So they make 6 million vehicles a year. So what else do you want?
Horizon Europe funding worked mostly for the organization itself, but as a person, I would say it added up to my capabilities. I pushed myself to know more about change management and dissemination, which was not possible with my previous role.
Mahfuza Ahmed. I'm working at TVS as a collaborative research leader. Without Horizon Europe funding, obviously, it wouldn't have possible for us to reach the research communities. It was essential and brilliant. And also, if you work such this type of projects, this is a multidisciplinary. Maybe you are an engineer, maybe you are a physicist, because you need to work in collaborations.
Had the opportunity to work with academia, industry partners from various different countries, from Italy to Germany to UK, and that really helped us to shape the positioning of Digital Product Passport.
By 2030, we believe that most of the companies will be using our Digital Product Passport. And we will also deploy some of the data exchange platforms nationwide. So multiple countries will be using our infrastructure, which will create annual turnover of about $1 billion. We found that actually out of every 4 proposals, we win 1, which is a great success rate. But actually we fail 3. So we give 100% dedications and everything. But then once you start winning, you will see it's possible.
And I'm sure with the right sort of partnership building, if you start early and you keep the proposal, true to what EU is trying to do in terms of, regulations, their vision about sustainability, their vision about the technology, then I think that's the recipe for success.